Hey YouTube. Well, adding another state. I'm now in Colorado, and if you remember, my plans were from the Dakotas to go into Wyoming and Montana before dropping down to my sons in Utah. The smoke from all the fires out west has gotten really bad, and actually it's pretty bad here. I'm just outside of Denver. But there's another reason that I'm headed here, or I'm here headed into Denver in the morning. I'm not that far outside of it, but I don't like going into big cities on a Friday afternoon. Traffic gets to be a little bit nuts. But what I'm here for is my friend Jax Austin has moved his van or his bus build from up in Canada, where Badge helped him do the waste veggie oil system. He's now down here in Denver doing a lot more of the conversion. So I'm starting a small series. I'm going to be here for a couple of weeks helping him. I'm calling the series Bro Helping Bro. Hopefully I'll do a couple of videos with him, what we're doing. You're not going to miss out on anything. By the time you see this, I'll have already left and be on the road to other adventures. So my videos, I'm pretty far ahead. So anyway, we get back on the bus. I'm gonna relax the rest of today, and first thing tomorrow morning, which is Saturday, I'm going to zip into Denver and get to where he's at. I'm not that far away. Well, I'm at Colorado Custom Coach Works here in Denver, and let's see if I can find Jax. Okay, so we're inside the Colorado Custom Coach Works, and what they've got one side is over there is their custom stuff, and then this side DIY people pay for spots. They got three, well, more than that. We got Jax's bus. So we finally caught up with Jax.
Hey Steve. You know what's funny? I forgot where we were. so we went in and banged this into the rivets to get the mark. And then I realized it just cut it out.
Oh.
Yeah. So anyways, that's how my day's
going. So in case you're wondering what he's talking about,
let's turn the fans off.
what we're doing is he's putting in a cedar strip ceiling, and we're putting in these nailers.
So this part here drilled out, right? So to get the mark on it, I just took a hammer and banged it into the rivets here, and it should now sit flush like it does.
Right.
And then we'll go into the side with a drill, and then impact drive it into the side there.
Yep.
With the...
So we're at the point of doing a little custom stuff here. Not straightforward, but yeah. So we're doing that, and on the next video, you'll see what we're doing then. See you later, YouTube.